Want to sell puzzle books on Amazon but worried you're not a designer? Here's how beginners are getting started and how you can save hours with a simple shortcut. Puzzle books are one of the most popular low content book types on KDP. Think word searches, Sudoku, mazes, all great for kids, adults, and brain games. They sell well, especially when you focus on specific audiences like seniors or students. You can design a word search from scratch using Canva or Google Docs. But keep in mind, these tools aren't puzzle generators. You will have to build the grid yourself, fill it with random letters, and manually hide each word one by one. It's doable, but you will need to repeat this process for every puzzle. And formatting 30 to 100 pages takes a lot of time and patience. BookBolt has a built-in puzzle creator inside its studio, with ready-to-use layouts for word searches, mazes, Sudoku, and more. Just pick your puzzle type, set how many you want, and it auto-generates a polished interior, correctly formatted, and ready to upload. It's a huge time saver, especially if you want to scale. Link below to try BookBolt and explore its puzzle creator for yourself.